In this tutorial, we will learn about print statement. Print statement is used for displaying a value, message, or an output on the monitor. We have already seen the use of print, I think tutorial number 2, where we have used two commands, print and clear screen. But here we will see how many other ways we can use the print statement, right? There are various ways in which a print statement can be used in QB64. So first is without anything and close with double quotes, print any number, print with separator, comma, semicolon, print text and any number. We have already seen the use of without anything and enclose with double quotes. Without anything means we can print any number. You can see I have used clear screen first. It means it will clear the screen when we will see the output on the output screen. And the first example is print 100.009. This is an example without anything. We have not used any double quotes, comma or anything. Second example is line number 9. This tutorial is on print statement, means enclose within double quotes. This is a string. This is number and this is a string. So these two ways we can print or we can use this print statement command. Line number 10 is an example of comma separator. Comma separator, there are two ways, print with separator, comma and semicolon. Print with separator means more than one expression list can be printed in one print statement, but a separator must be used. Okay, how? See, we have used this string. This example of comma separator is a string. Okay, because this is in double quote. And then we have used comma and then number 999.99. An example of semicolon, line number 11, semicolon separator. This is again a string. We have used semicolon and then 999.99. So what is the difference between these two? Difference between these two is if I write here A and B, and now I have put cursor between A and B, and if I press tab key, then there is a this much space. Okay, and if I press space bar, then there is a this much space. I repeat, cursor is between A and B. When I press tab key, then we see it creates this much space. Okay, and when I press space bar, it creates this much space. So comma means we are entering tab and semicolon means we are pressing space bar. I repeat, when we use comma, it means we are entering tab, and when we use semicolon, it means we press space bar. Okay, we will see the output. And the last one is print text comma any number. So again I have used example of print text any number. So this is string, I have used comma and 1 2 3. So we have covered all the examples without anything, with double quotes and with separators. This is comma, this is semicolon and the print text comma any number. Okay, we'll see. Execute. So if we see, if we match, so for line number 8, first of all line number 7 clear screen, so there is a no more, this screen was clear before program print from line number 8 to 12, and then print 100.009, so this is clear, and the line number 9 was string, so this is printed. This tutorial is on print statement. Line number 10 example of comma separator, so we can say it created this space equivalent to tab, and for the line number 11 it created space equivalent to space bar, right? So we can see the difference. And line number 12 example of print text any number, so this is a string, and then because this is a comma, then we can see tab, this much space. So hope this is clear how we can use the print statement in various ways. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.